Ever wondered why millionaires keep getting richer, even when they start with the same salary as everyone else? It's not just about how much they earn. It's about how they budget. In this video, we'll break down the millionaire budgeting mindset and how you can start applying it today, no matter your income. Welcome to Ismart Success, the place where we turn financial confusion into smart solutions. If you're a student, a graduate, or just starting out in your career, subscribe now for powerful money strategies that actually work. Budget breakdown, millionaires versus average. Take a look at this powerful image. It shows the difference between how the average person and a millionaire budget their money. Millionaire budget, 25% on needs, housing, food, bills, 10% on wants, shopping, entertainment, a whopping 65% on investments, stocks, real estate, business, education. Average person's budget, 40% on needs, 55% on wants, only 5% on investments. That's the difference. Millionaires use their income to grow more money, while the average person spends most of it on comfort and lifestyle. Why this budgeting style works? Millionaires prioritize future rewards over instant gratification. Their formula focuses on wealth building, not just living paycheck to paycheck. Here's why this works: investments create passive income. Your money earns more money. Needs are controlled. They live below their means. Wants are minimized. They delay gratification to reach financial freedom faster. If you start doing this even with a small salary, you're already winning. How you can start budgeting like a millionaire? So, how can you start applying this today, especially if you're a fresh graduate or just landed your first job? Here's a simple 4-step plan. Number 1. Track your spending. Use free tools like Mint or a Google Sheet. Number 2. Start with a 50/30/20 rule, then slowly shift towards the October 25th, 65 model. Number 3. Automate investments. Apps like Watt Invest or Amal Invest make it easy. Links in the description. Number 4. Live below your means, delay luxury, and invest in your future self. You don't need to be rich to start, you need to start to get rich. Quick tips and motivation. Let me be real with you, most people won't do this because they think it's too hard. But if you're watching this, you're different. You're building the habits that wealthy people mastered early on. Here's the mindset shift: every time you choose investing over spending, you're buying freedom. Every dollar invested is a seed that will grow faster than any shopping spree ever will. If you learned something valuable today, give this video a big thumbs up, and subscribe to Ismart Success for more practical money wisdom. And in the comments, tell me, what's one thing you'll cut back on to start investing more? Thanks for watching Ismart Success, where smart habits build smart lives. Budget like a millionaire, live like a genius. See you in the next one.